Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Capricorn. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energy, guys. So this is the card for you all. I will leave it here. And one card from the fortune cookie. So we will see what is our lucky inspiration for today, guys. I will leave that card here. If you like this reading, Capricorn, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have 8 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, and 3 of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are, you feel that you cannot trust someone. Maybe in your work, you have people you work with. Maybe you entrusted them with something and they have not completed it. You are very unhappy about it. Or it may be the way they are. Maybe they are not responsible enough like you. And that may be the reason for you feeling really bad or feeling that you have made a mistake of trusting this person. So some kind of, lack of trust, or maybe some confusions are there in your circumstances. You do not understand this person or what is the reason for things going in a particular way. Maybe in your relationship, guys, Capricorn, you believe this person, you thought that they are someone reliable, honest towards you. But what you see is something they are hiding, some intentions or their true feelings. They are not telling you what it is, guys. So they have a mask, or they are not open-minded like you, revealing the truth today. And maybe this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you are even thinking of walking away from this relationship. Or maybe their focus or attention is on something else, guys. That may be the reason for their behavior. Maybe you may feel that they are not reliable. Maybe because they are not responding to you just like the way you are. Maybe because they have a lot of distractions or their attention is on something else. Maybe they have something to do in their work, a lot of responsibilities maybe, or burdens on their shoulders. So that may be taking their time, or it may be this person, maybe they are finding interest in something else. Something is interesting them more than this relationship, more than you, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And for some of you, Capricorn, these circumstances are changing. Maybe you were, you were feeling that you cannot rely on this person, cannot be trusted. Whatever it is, there is a situation, some kind of happy outcome coming today in your life. So some positive turn of events is what I see, guys. All those stressful things or all those days are over, Capricorn. So you are going to see eye to eye with this person, a better clarity and understanding. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. We have 8 of Wands in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship, maybe they have something on their mind and it may be some mistake they did. That may be the reason they are, they are feeling really guilty and they are not talking to you for all those mistakes they did. That may be the reason you feel this way, that they are not reciprocating, or that may be the reason their focus or attention is on themselves. So they are feeling really sorry for what they did or whatever happened, but they are afraid to tell you what is that deep down in their heart of hearts, guys. So they are afraid that you may leave them. So that may be the reason here, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Capricorn. We have Knight of Pentacles. So with this card, you are feeling really hopeful for a brighter future and circumstances are pointing you towards something good, something very good coming your way. And you are a very dedicated, devoted person. So whatever you do it with dedication and that strong determination. And you are someone really helpful. You help others, the people you work with. So you have that team spirit working. You work well in a team. So things are falling into place in your work situation, guys. Really positive for you all in your career circumstances. So for your moon energies, we picked one card. We will see what it is. You're very close to achieving your goal, Gibbous Moon. So with this card, guys, it just means that your circumstances, your situation is very ripe. It may be the right time or a ripe situation. So there is no yes or no answer here today. But it is a reminder that you need to make some adjustments before you get what you truly want. And you are on the right track, so you need not worry. But you need to make the right choices, the right actions today. That is going to take you towards success. But if you do something wrong or bad, circumstances are going to change for the worst, guys. So you need to be really focused today, focused on what you really want. And circumstances are gaining momentum. And today you need to watch over yourself. Take care of yourself, go for healthy habits, and this may be the time for you to review your plans for the future. Whatever dreams you have, you must think of it and decide, see whether you're going on the right track, whether you're making the right decisions. So this is the time for you to assess and do things the right way, Capricorn. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your fortune cookie for you all today, we picked one card. Tough and trying times. Tough times ahead. Think long term and make decisions accordingly. Avoid negative people at all costs. So this is similar to your moon energy, guys. Just like I said, you must make the right decisions and you need a lot of focus today in your circumstances. So that is the energy here, guys. Capricorn, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.